I wake up 오늘, today. The sun is shining softly through my window. I think about what I need to do today and say 오늘, today. Planning ahead, I make a note for 내일, tomorrow. I will meet my friend at the cafe. I tell myself it feels nice to plan ahead. Recalling yesterday, I smile at what I accomplished. 어제, yesterday, I finished my painting. Remembering yesterday's moments helps me feel grateful. I check the calendar. 월요일, Monday, 화요일, Tuesday, 수요일, Wednesday, 목요일, Thursday, 금요일, Friday. Learning the days of the week helps me schedule meetings and classes. Curious about today's weekday, I ask myself, 오늘 무슨 요일이에요? What day is it today? It's a simple question that guides my daily plan. Then I check the date on my phone. 며칠이에요? What's the date? Numbers and days together make life organized. I imagine sharing these with friends. Let's meet next 수요일, Wednesday. Using days and dates makes planning easy and polite. As I finish breakfast, I think about how 오늘, 내일, and 어제 shape my daily life. Even small conversations use these phrases naturally. Finally, I note the week ahead, smiling at the simple power of knowing 요일 and 날짜. These phrases are small but essential, helping me navigate everyday life in Korea.